Hello friends, in this video I am going to solve some more problems related to average speed. See, in this example, a student travels from home to school with a speed of 40 km per hour and he came back to home through the same route with a speed of 60 km per hour. Then calculate his average speed. So you're supposed to calculate the average speed. They have given two different speeds of a student. So here distance is a constant. See how to solve this example. I have solved many examples similar to this. So in the previous video I have derived one formula also. See, average speed formula is nothing but total distance covered divided by total time taken. So that is equals to 2xy divided by x plus y, where x and y are given two different speeds. So this formula is applicable only if the distance is constant. I hope you got this. See here, in this case the distance is constant while traveling from home to school and while coming back from school to home. So in both the cases distance is constant, so I have used this formula. So here just to substitute x is equals to 40 and y is equals to 60. So after substitution, so we will be getting 4800 divided by 100. After simplification, we will be having 48 km per hour. So that will be the correct answer for this question. See, hence average speed of a student is 48 km per hour. So this is the as usual method. If you know the formula, I can follow this. Otherwise, there is another one alternate method is there. See, I have taken distance between home and school as LCM of 40 and 60. So this is just assumed distance. So distance is nothing but the LCM of 40 and 60. So what they have given the speeds now. So just you take the LCM of 40 and 60. So this will be 120. See, I have taken here LCM of 40 and 60. I got it 120. So that will be the assumed distance between home and school. See, in the next step, time taken to cover 120 km with a speed of 40 km per hour. So just you supposed to calculate time here. How much time is required while traveling from school to home to school. So here that is nothing but a distance divided by speed gives time. So 120 divided by 40 gives 3 no. So hence 3 hours are required to cover 120 km with a speed of 40 km per hour. So that is the meaning. So similarly, time taken to cover 120 km with a speed of 60 km per hour is 2 hours. So here total time taken is 3 plus 2. So total time taken is 5 hours. I hope you got this step. And total distance covered is 120 plus 120. So that is 240 kilometers. So here again use same formula here. Average speed is equals to total distance covered by total time taken. So this is equals to 120 plus 120 is the total distance covered. So similarly here total time taken is 3 plus 2 hours. So here 240 divided by 5. So if we simplify this, you will be getting 48. So that will be the correct answer. See, 48 km per hour is average speed. So I hope you got these both the methods. So if anyone is easy, you feel easy, you can follow that. So see, let us see another one example. See here, in this example, a person travels from A to B so that 1/3 of distance he traveled with a speed of 30 km per hour and remaining distance he covered with a speed of 60 km per hour. Then what is his average speed? So here also you are supposed to calculate the average speed, but here in this case distance is not a constant. Why? Because 1/3 of distance he covered with a speed of 30 km per hour and remaining distance you are supposed to calculate the remaining distance. So remaining distance he covered with the speed of 60 km per hour. So little bit different is there. See here, In the last case distance is a constant, but in this case distance is not a uniform or constant. See how to solve this example. See, part of a distance covered is 1 by 3, or 1/3 of distance is covered with a speed of 30 km/h. And how to calculate remaining part of a distance is just you take 1 minus 1 by 3. So total part of distance I taken as a 1 unit. So remaining distance will be 1 minus 1 by 3. So that gives 2 by 3, or 2/3 of distance he covered with a speed of 60 km/h. So I hope you got this step. See, so I have taken here total distance is AB, and part of distance AC 1/3. So 1/3 of distance he covered with a speed of 30 km/h, and CB is a remaining distance. CB is remaining distance, that is 2 by 3, or 2/3 of distance he covered with a 60 km/h. See how to solve this example. So total distance I have taken as a LCM of 30 and 60. So LCM of 30 and 60 is 60. So here see the LCM of 30 and 60 is equals to 60. So that will be the assumed distance of AB. So in the previous example you have seen that assumed distance how to calculate. Just you take the LCM of the given speeds. So here 30 km/h and 60 km/h are the speeds. Take the LCM of speeds. So that gives the assumed distance between A and B. So here in the next step, distance of AC. So distance of AC means, so you got total distance 60 km from A to B, then 1/3 of 60 gives the distance of AC. So that is 1 by 3 into 60 gives 20 km. So hence the distance of AC is 20 km. Then similarly distance of CB is 2/3 of 60. 2/3 of 60. So it is 40 km. So distance of CB is 40 km. So total distance is 20 plus 40 gives 60. So that will be the total distance. So in the next step, time taken to cover a distance AC. So time taken to cover the distance AC. So how to calculate? You know time formula. Time is equals to distance upon speed. So that formula I have used here. So you know distance is how much? 60 km. Okay, then speed is how much? So distance is not a 60 km, 20 km. Okay, distance of AC is 20 km and speed is 30 km, because so he covered 1/3 of distance with the speed of 30 km/h. No? So distance is 20, speed is 30. So 20 by 30 gives 2 by 3 hours. So it means time taken to cover a distance AC is 2/3 hours, 2 by 3 hours. Similarly, time taken to cover a distance CB is also distance divided by speed. So what is the distance? Distance CB is how much? 40 km, and speed is 60 km/h. So therefore 40 divided by 60 gives again 2 by 3 hours. So see here, time taken to cover the distance AC is also 2 by 3 hours, and time taken to cover distance CB is also 2 by 3 hours. So then total time taken to cover the distance AB is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So total 4 by 3 hours are required to cover the distance AB with the different speeds. So then next you know formula, average speed is equals to total distance covered divided by total time taken. So total distance covered is, you know how much distance he covered? Total he covered the distance of 60 km. Then total time taken is 4 by 3. So again 60 divided by 4 by 3. So just to simplify this, 60 into 3, 3 goes to numerator, 60 into 3 divided by 4, this is 180 divided by 4, so this is equals to 45 km per hour. So here the average speed of person is 45 km per hour. So dear friends, I hope you got all these examples. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.